Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file a trademark and fill out a trademark application online. So a trademark helps protect a brand name, logo, or slogan connected to a business product or service. So to start, go to the official USPTO Trademark Center website. So this is where you can search for trademarks, start an application, submit it, and track the status. And before filing, search the trademark database first to check if the name or logo is already being used. After that, start the application and enter the applicant details, the trademark information, and the goods or services connected to it. You may also need to choose whether the trademark is already being used or if you plan to use it in the future. So once everything is complete, review the details and check the fee and submit the application. And after filing, you can go back to Trademark Center to track the status and check if the USPTO needs more information. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.